Welcome back to Tool Bag Tuesday, and today we're looking at a mobile hydraulic press, if you will. The kit I've got here is actually a hole punch, and it punches out holes, round holes, pipe size though, so you got to be careful. Pipe and tube are different sizes, and I bought this. I've had it quite a few years. This is a Harbor Freight one again, but in all honesty, it's worked very well. Central Hydraulics is the brand, and what this particular kit comes with is the hydraulic ram, if you will, hand-operated hydraulic pump, and then it comes with 5 sets of dies, and they're in odd sizes: 2 3/8. A 1 15/16, 1 11/16, 1 1.362, and the smallest one is 1.115. So you can see they're all kind of oddball for what we're doing typically in the automotive industry. And then I've got some other pieces and parts here that I've salvaged from other kits or made myself. I made a cap and die so I could use it on some. I've got a set of punches, hole punches, that you're supposed to put a bolt through and tighten the bolt, and it squeezes down and shears its way through. And I made an adapter to work with those. And then at some point I needed a larger hole, and so I bought the largest I think they had at the time, which was 3.5 inch hole punch, and it's awesome for punching holes. But the nice thing is, it is also very useful as just a hydraulic ram or a hydraulic press. So you can, comes with a couple different size studs, so you can screw the stud in, and then you can have it pull. It pulls against this head. Let's see if you can see that. It pulls this stud into the body, and as far as the punching holes, it'll punch a hole through like 11 gauge mild steel. It says 16 gauge stainless, although I've never tried that. So the throw on this ram is nearly a full inch, and it draws in, so it's contracting. But like I'll show you a video or a chunk of a video from another project I was working on where I was using it with flare dies. And I'd already cut the holes, and then I put a flare on there, and I was just using the threaded side of one of these hole punches as my nut, if you will, and it was the backing to pull the flare dies together. You can buy some other hydraulic pieces separate, and then the pump can be used for those, and you can buy some more that have longer contraction throws. You can buy rams that actually push stuff apart. So there's a lot of ways to use this. I find it very useful for punching some holes, but it's great for using with flare dies when you're in kind of an awkward place, or like the project I'm going to show you a little clip of. I'd forgotten to go and put them on my big press, and so it was awesome to have this available to where I could do the job still. That's another tool for your toolbox there, your tool bag, and a hydraulic punch driver kit, hydraulic ram, and all this. So thanks again for watching Tool Bag Tuesday. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.